What is going on, guys, and welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video we're going to look at a box and text shadow properties. So over here you can see that I have a box and I have a paragraph within the box, right? So the first thing I would need to do is actually style the box, and I'm just going to say the new rule, and the new rule would be that I would say the width probably is going to be again 200 pixels, and the height is also going to be 200 pixels, right? Something like this. So we have 200 and 200. Now, next thing what we want to do actually is to add a background color, right? So we write over here background color, and I would say something like this, right? So that's my background color. And now the next thing what I would want to do is actually add a box shadow over here. So you can see box shadow, and we can add two properties. The first one is going to be horizontal shadow. So I'm just going to say it's going to be 5 pixels, and vertical is also going to be 5 pixels. And now you can see that there's my shadow. And for now, I'm just going to leave it like this. However, we can also add a blur effect. And if we write here, that's going to be the third value over here. So if I write blur effect, you can see how it became blurry. And the fourth value, we can actually add a color. So let's say I would say yellow, and you can see what happens here, that I have a box shadow that has 5 pixels horizontally, vertically, and then 10 pixels. There's a blur, and then obviously there's a color yellow. And obviously you can choose whatever option you would want. This is just a basic example. Now we also have a text shadow. So let's say over here, if we would go to paragraph, and if I would say that I would want add a text shadow, it would be the same thing. So I have text shadow over here, and I just write text shadow. And over here it's the same thing. Again, we would write, in this case, again, I'm just going to write 5 pixels, 5 pixels, let's say 10 pixels. That's going to be my blur. And again, you can see what's happening, that my text is getting a shadow. But let's say I'm going to say red. And now you can see that there's a red blurry shadow here. This is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.